Hi there! You have been taught that they, them, and their are all plural pronouns. This is correct, but there are some instances where we use these as singular pronouns. Singular indefinite person. In the past, when referring to a single person whose gender was unknown, people said things like he or she, which feels a bit clumsy, or they use the masculine he, him, or his, which these days is not really acceptable. There are a lot of words that might show that we don't know the person's gender. To be general, we can say a person or no person, a child or no child. It's a bit formal. You would be more likely to see this in writing. I'll give you some examples. A person who is used to their own company may not enjoy having visitors. No child should have to grow up without their parents. Other common general words we can use with a singular they, them, or their are anyone or anybody, someone or somebody, no one or nobody, whoever, each, every, either, and neither. We do, however, need to use a plural be verb. Every teenager believes that they are special. More examples: if anyone calls, take their name and number and I'll call them back. Somebody parked their car in a disabled space. Could they please move it? The thief, whoever they are, needs to turn themselves in. We can also use they, them, and their if we are talking about a particular person, so we do know their gender, but we don't want to reveal it. It's a secret. I have a friend who lives in Spain. I love visiting them in summer. Now, the final way we can use these pronouns is a quite modern one. More and more people do not identify as either male or female. There are many different gender identities. Someone might prefer that others talk about them using the pronouns they, them, and their. But it's always good to check. These days we can't assume. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye!